Is it on? Oh, okay. So I'm butternut squash.
I'm sure you've had a lot of vegetables before. We've all been there.
I once dated a head of lettuce, and I think the most operative word to describe the experience would be limp.
Thing is, I'm not some run-of-the-mill veggie. I'm a vegetable souffle.
Vegetable souffle.
Fine. I admit it. I'm good for you. How can I not be with my 2 full servings of vegetables?
High protein from all those egg whites.
All natural and low in calories.
But the thing is,
I am totally freaking delicious. What? I am.
So you've had your little flings with those bad boy nachos and those hot chicken wings, but where did that get you besides a trade up to a larger jean size and a bad case of the runs? What you really need is a little hot, delicious veggie love.
Veggie love.
vegetable love.
Vegetable amor. That was veggie love in Spanish.